We're live and alive with a Texas Torch and his sister, the Mehdipour twins. What's up, guys? Light them up. What's up, girls? Welcome to the show. No, thank you, guys. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful Thursday, my friends. We should have gone live on a live Friday, but it's always a good day to go. Y'all surprised me today. Y'all just like showed up.
Yeah.
That's awesome. It's still your office, you know.
Thank you.
So, how's everything been this week?
Good. It's been a good week. Yeah. Staying busy.
Yeah.
It did go by really quick.
Yeah. And then next week's gonna go by even faster, right?
Yep. Because we're off Monday.
Lohani Khan, live and alive and going live. Yo, Geo Dusty, Ali G, HTX, Marashi Music. What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining us today on our live and alive. Next time you buy 100 pizzas, I'll match 50. Oh, that's what's up, Geo Dusty. Hopefully there's no other storms like Hurricane Barrow, but thank you for that. That's how we do it, guys. So did y'all have any court this week?
We didn't have court this week.
No?
Did you? No.
Did I? I did in Fort Bend County. I had a hearing in Fort Bend County. Guys, everyone out there listening to us, how's the volume coming? We're still testing all the technology and everything. Can you hear us loud and clear? Can you hear the music loud and clear? Ali, GHCX will match us also on the next one. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, everyone. It's always a blessing to be able to give back. And Ali knows, man, me and Ali grew up from our younger years back in Sugarland and A-Leaf days, trolling on Westheimer, racing. I don't want to say racing, but you know, so Tam knows. What's up, Mr. Tam knows in the house. Happy birthday, Tam. It was Tam's birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, it was Tam's birthday yesterday. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, everybody. Guys, so we put out a post the other day, and we asked all of y'all to ask us questions. And I think we have some questions. Y'all have any of them handy right now?
Yeah.
Producer Chris?
Oh.
Will y'all have them?
Yeah, I have one.
What's that?
Okay, so the first one was, what cases do you refuse?
Oh, which ones do we refuse?
Yeah.
Okay, well, which ones do y'all refuse?
We refuse ones with no coverage.
Yeah.
Where the potential client is put at fault. And also if it's like a property damage only claim.
Yeah.
We'll refuse it.
Why property damage only claims?
Because there's no injuries.
Yeah, but you can help people like get their cars fixed.
Do you do it?
We do it. We, of course, you know. So we helped that one guy. The Geico didn't want to pay for his Bentley a couple years ago. Remember?
Oh,
And
yeah.
we got him paid on his Bentley. Sometimes, and Anita's right, it's hard to take property only claims because, and I tell this to everybody before we take it, if your car is worth 20 grand and the insurance company is giving you a hard time, refusing to accept liability, or offering you 10 grand and you hire a lawyer, if we take it on a contingency fee, right? What would we charge?
33 1/3%.
And then how much to, like, on average, to file suit and get him served?
We got at least like $700.
Right?
Yeah.
So if we do file suit, take the case at 1/3 and we get you the 20 grand, there goes 1/3 of 20 grand, right? Which is at least like $7,000, $6,800.
And then you end up with a $10,000 offer anyway.
Anyways, you're back there. Plus $1,000 in fees. So $8,000, you made $2,000, right?
Yeah.
Instead of 10, you got 12. So sometimes when it's a expensive car, it makes sense. Sometimes clients don't care. As long as you're okay and you understand, then we'll take the case on a PD claim. But we always make sure you understand it may not be the best result that you want, because injury claims are different, right?
Right.
You can get compensation for damages that you can't actually see on paper, like mental anguish and pain and suffering, right? What does this button do?
This goes out to you.
Geo Dusty, where's your shop at? He wants to do a car show and a toy drive. Where's your shop at? Sounds great. Thank you, guys. Car show and a toy drive. We can do it. You know, just sign us up, write us a check for like $10,000 and we'll come post up with with the ambulance. And, you know, let us know. We're always down as long as we have the time. We're always down to come and Rock and roll. Ahmed Hanoun. Oh, Sippa Westheimer. Y'all heard of that place?
No.
Sippa?
West.
Is it like a hookah lounge or? Mr. Ahmed, hello, sir. We can always do it. This goes out to you. This goes out to you guys. This goes out to y'all. So tell me, why can't you take a case where there's coverage issues?
Because then there's no money. There's no insurance company to pay for the claim. What do you mean by coverage issues? There's no
Yeah.
coverage?
You're saying no coverage?
Yeah, there's no coverage. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
There's no money.
There's
Yeah.
no
Right.
money to go after.
And there are situations like that, right? Like we take a case and then realize
No insurance.
no insurance. You got your
Excluded.
chain?
Excluded
Yeah, I have
driver.
my chain.
Guys, check it out. Ariana, show us
Can
the
we see it?
show us the spinner on that one real quick. Is it?
I was saying, I don't know how heavy that one is.
This one is like at least like maybe like 10 times heavier.
That's crazy. This one's really heavy.
Yeah, because that one, like, look at the chain itself is. Yeah, that's why it gives me neck pains. I try not to wear it all day. I wore it in the golf commercial I just made. I can't believe I hit the ball with this on, man. Oh, Sippa. Oh, Gio. Oh, Gio. What's up, Gio? The place where we went and got all the pizza over there on Westheimer. Okay, cool, man. Gio, thank you so much. Guys, I made some phone calls to some pizza places when Hurricane Beryl hit, and some people couldn't do it. And then I called Sicily Pizza, and Mr. Gio picked up and hooked it up. So it gave us a discount. Thank you, Gio. Thank you for that, my friend. Ask your questions. Oh, yeah, you got 3 attorneys here. One normie. You got a normie, 2 geniuses. So ask your questions and you're going to get the different viewpoints. How about, like, do we sometimes take cases and we have problems with coverage, right? Like, what happens?
What do you mean? So we
Like-
take the case and we start the case up, and then it turns out there's no coverage.
Yeah,
The policy wasn't put in place.
policy's not in place. So we take that risk, guys.
Right.
Because when a client calls us and a client's hurt, you never know right then and there. Sometimes some of these like Freeway Depot, Fred Loya insurance companies, they don't even tell you if there's coverage sometimes for months, which is in violation of the Texas rules. The Texas Department of Insurance
Red
rules.
Point Insurance.
Red Point. Oh my God!
Yeah.
Don't get we beat their ass last year pretty bad. So pretty bad all day, guys. So there are situations where we take the case, we sign up the case, the client's going through treatment and gets medical care. And then after a month, we realize there's no insurance anywhere, which brings me to tell you guys, you can buy uninsured motorists yourself. It's much cheaper. For example, full coverage might be $200 a month. Uninsured motorists will be $30 a month, and PIP will be like another 10, right?
Yeah.
And people are like, well, my car is old. It's only worth like $5,000. Why get full coverage, right? Uninsured motorist is for you in the car. You could be young, you could be old. It doesn't matter. You're valuable. So you don't need full coverage on the car to protect yourself in the car, your family in the car, right?
Right.
And it's like one meal, a crazy ass beard. I like that flying through the roofs, guy. Yeah, thank you. I trimmed it, guys. I don't know if you noticed it, but this week I trimmed it just a little bit. Does it look trimmed or no?
Yeah, you can tell it's trim.
Feather duster ass beard. I'm gonna dust the hater off. No, I know you're not hating, man. We're having a good time. But uninsured motorist protects you. And call all of y'all got cars and all of y'all got insurance, right? Call your insurance agent and talk to them and say, hey, I want to add uninsured motorists in PIP, and see what they say. First of all, they're going to start squirming, right? Because it's cheap and it gives you a lot of protection. What are you laughing at? Party City Ghost Ass Beer. Who is this flying through the roofs guy, man? Party City. Yo, flying through the roofs. Join us. Click the link and join us real quick. Come, join us on here. Yeah, Anissa is also watching. Welcome, guys. Flying through the Party City ass, the boy feather buster ass beard. Come and join us on our live and alive. I do have a way to send this live and alive to anyone that wants to join. For example, if you're like, look, I really want to join, let me know. I'll send you an email and you can join us right now on stream and be part of this, sitting at home, driving your car. Don't do it while you're driving unless you got something to hold and watch you. But y'all are more than welcome. If anyone uninsured, yep, mama's on a budget. What's up? So is that better than liability? What's up? Mama's on a budget, guys. Mom on a budget won the competition for the back to school giveaway. Came out there with her family with the other two winners. Yeah, 3 families, guys. We had an awesome time. Target was there. The Target representatives were there. They made sure we had access to anything and everything we wanted. They closed off several of the checkout aisles. Y'all saw me checking out with the lovely lady there. I was too fast for her. But so liability insurance is liability, right? And that's just insurance in Texas. You got to have it. Basic insurance. If you hit someone, they're protected. And that could be 30,000. It could go up to millions and millions of dollars. It's up to you. But the minimum in Texas is 30. What's the minimum in California?
15,000.
Yep. 15,000. So at least in Texas, we have double what California has. Uninsured motorist is a separate coverage. And Texas law says insurance agents, whenever you buy any insurance, you buy liability, whatever, they have to ask you to buy uninsured motorist or PIP, and you have to sign a rejection. And they never really tell you. They just say, oh, here, sign. And you don't have uninsured motorist. Someone hits you and runs away. Someone hits you with no insurance or coverage that got lapsed. Someone hits you and causes you more harm than what their 30,000 policy has. Your own uninsured motorist steps in. And in Texas, you cannot bad duck TV. What's one myth? Oh, that's a good question. What's the minimum in Florida? Come on, Cyrus. Why are you trying to test me out? The Florida is backwards, first of all, because Florida is a no fault state. So it doesn't matter who's at fault. You're taking care of your own damages. And they do have like a lot of PIP out there. But what were we saying? Oh, uninsured motorists in comparison to the other one. Liability. Huh?
You need to ask which one's better, but so is that better than liability? I mean, yeah, you protect yourself, but we would recommend you get both.
Yeah. Can I hear you? You loud?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I can hear myself.
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Making sure you're
that's
there.
way better.
Yeah. So uninsured motorists is very cheap because Texas wants to protect people, right? And it goes to anyone in the car, especially PIP. And it is pennies on the dollar. Do me a favor, guys. We're going to come back hopefully next week and have another live show. Call your insurance agents and then come back and report to me and tell me how much was your coverage? How much extra is it to add uninsured motorist, which is a very, very inexpensive compared to the normal coverage. Now, if you have like Fred Loya, for example, they will refuse to sell you uninsured motorist. By law, they have to. Everyone out there, freeway insurance, whatever it is that you have, all Snake Farm, they have to offer it to you no matter what. And Cyrus, to answer your question about Florida, that backwards auto policy, it's $10,000 minimum requirement for PIP, $10,000 minimum for property damage because there's no fault. You have to protect yourself first. And in Florida, I don't know if y'all know, if you don't have auto insurance, then you cannot, if someone hits you and breaks your hand, you can't use their insurance. You must carry insurance to be able to even step to use someone else's insurance in Florida.
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's Florida. What's the other thing? PIP, personal injury protection. I have State Farm. Snake Farm is bad. I can't even get myself to say Snake Farm is good. There's no avenue in which Snake Farm insurance, Snake Farm, is good. Check that out. Yeah. I don't know if we can zoom in, but we can. You know why? Because I'm doing the share here. So this is this lawyer here. He's something else. He made this website and it's called snakefarm.com. And he attacks insurance companies. You can chat with them, start a chat. There you go. Hi, I am Stephanie. How can I help you? Yo, my G, what it do? We'll have a little conversation here while we're live and alive. And y'all are there too. You can see yourselves.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing. Yeah, check it out. Sleazy, slimy, sleazy snakes. Guys, State Farm is the worst insurance company out there. Worse than even Fred Lawyer when it comes to resolving and taking care of their insurance. So go and shop around. Insurance is a scam at the end of the day. All right, right? They're making
Right.
billions of dollars on our lives.
Yeah.
So, in case we get disconnected, providing your phone number. Yeah, sure. 832-433-7977. Let's see if they know I gave the office number. And guys, this is the real chat. Watch. Hi, this is attorney Hadi. Let's see what they say. I can't type, guys. It's the keyboard. It's the keyboard. Which one is better? Geico, as much as I don't like Geico, I tell everyone, go buy Geico, because if they give you a hard time, we'll burn them to the ground. Don't worry. Farmers is a really good one. I'm fine. Thank you. Excellent. Farmers is great. Liberty Mutual, Traveler, they're all at the end of the day the same shit, right? It's just which piece of is going to give you the best results. All of them will push you to a limit, right, girls?
Yeah, they will.
Yeah.
But I will recommend Geico.
Right? Since we did burn him to the ground, how may I help you? I'm good.
Oh, USA is a good one too.
USA is a good one. You have to be a member of the military or army, Navy, serve the country, or have a family member that has. They do give us a hard time also. You saw that case? We represent a celebrity, don't say the name. And they refused to pay the policy limits of 100. And the defendant driver is currently facing attempted murder charges in Austin. And I burned a dad pretty bad in deposition, and they have been ignoring me for a couple weeks. And all of a sudden, yesterday, a new law firm in Austin took over. A new office. Oh wow, is that bad? Is it that bad, USAA? After we beat your ass this year in San Antonio, and now you had to pass this case over. That's really bad, really bad. What is the worst experience you have had with an insurance company? Vaughn Imperial. Shouldn't Vaughn be working? Shouldn't all of us be working? Right? It's 11:40. What is the worst experience, girls?
I feel like you've had several.
Yeah, you have a lot of bad experiences.
I nothing is ever bad to me. Everything, even like let's say we go to trial and we don't win, those are learning experiences.
Yeah.
And they become a good, right? Because of the attention that we get. When we go to trial and we don't win, the defense lawyer is so thirsty for that attention, so thirsty because they have nothing going for them in their lives. They go post about it. They tell their family. They write reviews, and the whole time they're talking about us because apparently it's an honor, it's a medal to go up against our law firm.
Yeah.
They talk about how amazing we were. They talk about how hard the case, because they're not about to come and say, "Oh, the Hadi law firm sucked," right?
They don't say that.
No, because then it makes it look like they sucked.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right? If you beat someone that's not good at what they're doing, then what'd you really do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So most of the time, guys, the defense lawyers out there, to my friends, no offense, but to all the other ones, what do? You show up to court and say, we don't have to do anything. You literally show up to court and tell the jury, I don't have to do anything. If I sit here and not say one word, are you going to hold that against me? Because as a defense lawyer, you don't have to do shit. Absolutely nothing. The plaintiffs and plaintiff attorneys, our job is the hard one. We take all the risk, all the pressure, all the responsibility. Are their prices better? Whose?
I guess the other insurance companies. Which one's USAA?
Oh, USA. They're okay.
I think Geico, honestly, Geico's good.
Yeah.
Well, it is. I will say I compared all of them. Geico's.
Yeah.
What do you say? What do you think?
Don't be loyal to your insurance company.
Okay.
Right?
I'm just telling you. I'm
Shop
being honest
around.
with her. Yeah, Yeah, shop around.
Shop around. Let me tell you, from what we see all the time, right?
Yeah.
Whenever someone is with an insurance company for years and years and years, they have already got from you what they want,
Mhm.
right? Why do you think insurance companies market so much out there? Hundreds of millions of dollars. Not because they give a dang about college football, but because they lose so much business on a daily basis, they have to get that business back, right? Why is it that they market so much, but they're not like trillionaires? Because as many people that they screw over that they lose, they have to get fresh meat back, right?
Yeah.
So think about that. The more loyal you are, the less they care about you because they've already got what they want from you.
Yeah.
They got your money, right? So what I say, every 6 months or when it comes to renewal, 2 months before renewal, start shopping around. It's very simple. Start shopping around. Um, Tell me, oh, then which one is better? Let's keep going. We have some questions here. I don't want to miss them. What is the worst experience? We did that one. What's your favorite legal drama or movie, and how does it compare to real life?
Do you watch legal dramas and movies?
There was one, a couple on Netflix recently.
Your Honor.
Your Honor.
That one was really good.
Yeah, Your Honor
Really
was
good.
good.
Really good. And the one about the district attorneys on Netflix. What was that one?
Suits.
No,
No.
I've never watched.
I've never watched Suits.
I've never got into Suits. I watched. Oh, was it that one? The documentary?
No,
Oh,
it's like a show.
okay.
I never got into Suits.
Yeah,
Me
I
neither.
couldn't get into it either.
Nah. There was a new one about district attorneys and whatnot. It was very interesting. Do you recommend the dash cam? Oh, 100%, guys. Guys,
Yeah.
right? You can buy dash cams right now for like 50 to $100, maximum $200. Some of them even allow you to connect to like Wi-Fi and store to the cloud if you don't want to store to a chip. And that way it's always going to have backup. Oh, the dash cam is the best thing. If you're in trouble and you mess up, then it might be used against you. Just do what the 18-wheeler and commercial companies do. As soon as you smash and it's your fault, take off the dash cam and throw it in the trash. Oh, we have no camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know how many people we've caught doing that?
Yeah.
It's like, hey, the suction marks are on your window. Yeah. What was there? I don't know. This cable looks like a battery charger for a dash cam is still hanging. Oh, that was from before, and before you know it, you catch him on a lie. Game over. This goes out to you. This is one of my favorite songs right now. So the song itself is Biggie Smalls' "Juicy." It's really old. This remix is old too. It's like 10 years old. Tell me the strategy behind the upside down billboards. On to a dream. Guys, it was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. And one day I was watching TV, and you ever seen in marketing, there's like a little glitch, right? Like the tone changes, or someone will be speaking one way and then say something with a weird accent, or right?
Yeah.
And then you just keep thinking about it, right? Or a color is off real quick and you keep thinking about it. And it's like, wow, that's smart. Did they really mess up? This company put that out there? Why would they? And you're just sitting there like the commercial's done, your show is back on, and you're still thinking about it.
Yeah.
So I was like, what can I do with billboards, right? To create that thought process. Something that you can mess up that people will keep thinking about it. And I was like, you know what? Let's flip the billboard. So so I flipped the first one on the way to Austin, and I had to go through like 3 or 4 layers of approval. So when they flip it, right, because you're paying for it to change it, you don't come back and say that's not what I meant, right? And it just started getting attention. And then we flipped it in Houston, and then of course the one in Houston went viral on TikTok. Remember that video? The guy made the video and it was like, just imagine,
Yeah.
right? Just I wonder where that guy's at right now. I wonder where he said the viral G himself. And it was mind blowing, huh?
Yeah, crazy. It was crash.
Right. It made you almost crash,
Yeah.
right?
But a
So
lot of people claim that it made them almost cry.
there you go. What's up with the names? Oh, what are we doing here? Let's get rid of this. I forgot about this.
Oh, yeah,
Remove.
that's
There
right.
we go. We are back. What's up with the names? What names?
Like the
Insta-
usernames.
The Instagram names.
Yeah.
The ones that you've been saying.
What?
The Instagram usernames, you've been saying them. So she said, what's up with the names?
Oh, I don't get it. It's so wrong.
You've been
Oh,
reading?
oh, like the
Reading
big,
people's
like hold on.
usernames.
Yeah.
Ass Benny. Yeah, mama's on a budget. What's up with these names, man? It's catchy. Everyone notices an upside down billboard. Yeah, definitely. So that's why we did it. The last trial that I had, the defense lawyer was so foolish that in closing, I turned around. What was that? My cousin Vinny,
Mhm.
when he was like,
Yeah.
looked at the jury, he's like, everything this attorney just said is bull.
Yeah.
So in my closing argument, I was like, everything this defense lawyer just said is baseless. I don't know if anyone caught on to it. There's a lot of people watching us, but I literally said everything that she said is all of it was bullshit. All of it. And that's what she did. She came and just shit all over the court system and to the jury and created lies and that confused the jury. It happens, unfortunately, but that's why cases get reversed on appeal.
Yeah.
Let's see. Bad Duck TV. How do you strike a balance between aggressively pursuing compensation for your clients and maintaining ethical legal practices? Bro, what is did you get this from a bar exam question, Bad Duck? What kind of question is that? That's a good question, Bad
Yeah,
Duck.
it is.
That's a good one. So let's see. For example, right? Aggressive. I don't know if y'all seen that website that we just have here. The HadiLawFirm.com/ let's show this real quick. This is the website that we have. I don't know if y'all have heard about that politician in Fort Bend County who was racist and instilling made the fake names. Y'all heard about that guy?
Yes.
This
Yeah.
guy, Taro Patel?
Yeah.
Mhm.
So this is aggressive, right? Like fighting for the clients, for compensation for the entire community. Chat GP type question, but it's valid. I like that. I wonder if that was a Chat GPT question. But on this website here, you can see this guy, Taro Patel, has felony arrest charges on him and race baited every race out there, and he shaved his beard too. After I started putting his face out there, he shaved his beard. But
Is that him?
this is him right here, and these are people that are standing behind his. But look, he used the word we don't need more sand n-word subhumans who smell like curry. This is really bad. This guy talked about his own culture. He put down Muslims, he put down Christians, he put down Jewish community, Hindus, he put down whites, just everyone. He put everyone down. This website here is approved by the State Bar of Texas. And that's how we can be aggressive in fighting for our clients. A lot of the marketing gets approved by the state. Some stuff, and I say a lot, why not everything? Some things you don't need, right? Other things you need. So not only was this approved by the state bar, but because he's an attorney who hasn't taken the bar exam yet, the state bar asked us to send anything and everything that we get through this website or through any other means to them.
Oh,
So
he's
they
a
can
lawyer?
build, huh?
He's a lawyer?
He graduated law school,
Okay.
but he didn't take the bar. So what do y'all think about this?
About
Someone
your
like
website?
no,
Or
someone
him?
like this guy trying to come and lie and cheat the community, and
What was the point of all that anyway?
Yeah, why'd you do it?
he was trying to win the primary and get attention, and he
Oh.
got people to donate hundreds of thousands of dollars to him because he was a victim
Well, he did it unethically.
unethically. This guy here, KP George, Fort Bend County judge, he Guys, we have a whole different live and alive on this. It's on my personal Facebook page. So you're more than welcome to go and try to look up my first and last name on my personal Facebook page. You'll see he used the racist posts that we now know is this guy, Taro Patel, his best friend. These are best friends. In fact, Taro worked for Judge to get a chauffeur who's a police officer with the sheriff's department and to get a brand new car because his life was on the line. And I've talked to him. I was like, hey, KP, you gonna give my tax dollar chauffeur in Tahoe back or no? Because now you know your life wasn't. No one gave a about your life. Your life wasn't really on the line. So come give the tax. Go sell that car and stop using a police officer to chauffeur you around. You should be ashamed. He's still using it.
Oh wow.
Yeah, he should be ashamed of himself. And it's everywhere. It's all over the world. So, but enough of that. So that comes to aggressive representation and not stepping over ethical boundaries, right? It's making sure the content we do is put out or the way we fight is put out. Now, when it comes to insurance adjusters, insurance adjusters, there's nothing you can do against insurance adjusters is considered unethical, right?
Yeah.
No, because everything they do is unethical.
It is, yeah.
The garbage. Tell me some stuff.
Yeah, they always talk smack.
And they're always rude.
Always.
They hate their jobs. They hate their lives.
Right?
Yeah. No, seriously, every single one.
It's like, why are you doing it? Why are you? Oh, you just going to make that quick buck?
Yeah, they're rude.
And the defense lawyers are just like the piece of crap adjusters.
Most of them.
Well, look. To my defense lawyer friends, it ain't about you.
Yeah.
Y'all joined us last week, right? But the ones that stand firm by the garbage that's spewed out from the insurance companies of, oh, well, go prove yourself. We don't have to do anything, right?
Yeah.
The adjuster calls and says, based on reasonable and customary, we cut all your bills. Based on what? Have you realized of all the lawsuits we filed, not one time has a defense lawyer came and said, this is the reasonable and customary research that the adjuster did. Not one time have they came and used that. They go hire doctors and hire experts and wannabe garbage that we murdered like Siddharth Aranke.
Yeah.
But not one. What does that mean? Everything an adjuster says is. And for everyone out there that wants to go and fight these cases on their own, hallelujah, more power to you, but don't do it. Toll Calvin, never knew. Worst type of finesse. It's horrible. It's horrible. Look into it. Go look up the website that I just showed y'all here. Look, it's here. Go look it up. Look at all the information. You don't even have to look. You just type in his name. Look, this is 18 hours ago. Thanks to me and the fire that we're putting out there. This is 18 hours ago. It's coming out, just clowning hard on this guy in Fort Bend County. All my viewers out there, if you know anyone in Fort Bend County, Sugar Land, send it to him. Make him aware because this guy is not backing down. He wants to win and he thinks he's about to win. But look at all this stuff. Asked to quit following HoustonLanding.org. He won't quit. This is on August 21st, just last week. It is everywhere. It is everywhere. If you could change one aspect of the personal injury legal system, what would it be and why? I like this guy, Bad Duck TV, needs to come and like work for us. I mean, there's some really good questions.
I know you do.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look, right? Calvin, you're struggling to get a car. KP George is using all of our taxpayers, if you're in Fort Bend County, to get him a sweet ride, fully leathered, Tahoe, brand new, and a driver who is a deputy with the sheriff's office.
That's crazy.
Call Fort Bend County Sheriff's Office. Call Sheriff Fagan. That's what I start asking all of y'all to do. Call and say, hey, man, why is KP George driving around with my money? Wasting our money, right? Our taxpayers' dollars. At the very least, bro, now you know it was your chief of staff, Taro Patel. Come and do something about it. Come and say sorry. Give it back. Nope. Why would he? But I'm not going to go there because now you see why I have a division between like the law firm live and
Yeah.
they're like, Hadi, you're the same person. It's like, yeah, but we have like the personal live and alive, and then we have the law firm live and alive. Change one thing, girls. Anita, what would you change?
About the let me read the
Personal
question
injury.
again. If you could change one aspect of the personal injury legal system, what would it be and why? I'm not too sure. I'd have to think about it.
Me, I have no changes.
Oh,
Hold on. Who's someone joining us on our? Oh, be careful! Don't fall head first. Is someone joining us? Who is that? Oh, is that Taro Patel himself? Whoa! What's up, Mr. Patel? We got Taro Patel in the house, guys. Hey, come say hi, guys. So, if you go to my personal Facebook and you look at my live and alive, yeah, Taro Patel.
Wait, the cameras are here.
Oh, you see? Look, you're right here.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Oh, it took a second to get in here. You're here. What's going on? We can do lunch? Yeah, we should be done soon.
I was gonna ask you like a question.
Oh, not right now. We're live and alive. You're more than welcome to hang out and join us. We do have another camera. Could we add?
yeah.
Could we add
No,
the other
he
one?
can come sit
Do
here.
you want to borrow my mic?
Come join us.
You don't need a mic?
I can stand here.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna be done. We're gonna be done soon.
wanna
What was
come in?
what was
Okay.
the what was
But
the
Mr. Wally
question?
can answer the question.
Oh, here the question was if you
okay.
could change one thing, I would change everything. First of all, let me tell you, if you can change one thing about personal injury law and the legal system, what would it be? That's a lot. That's a lot. First of all, I would get rid of all the adjusters and all the defense lawyers. And then, you know, the defense lawyers, they're like, Hadi, we need each other. No, we don't. What do we need a defense lawyer standing in the way for? We don't know. Hell no. Let's put it into one perspective, and I have more.
Okay.
If plaintiff lawyers never file a lawsuit, why would you need a defense lawyer? Right?
True.
Right?
Yeah.
So we would just fight the insurance companies.
Right.
That's it. Get rid of the statute of limitations. Let us take the insurance companies. What was the other one? Oh, the other one that we need each other. Yeah, that's pretty much at the end of the day. Defense lawyers need plaintiff lawyers to file suit.
Mhm.
I would get rid of adjusters. I would get rid of the delaying. I would get rid of all the garbage. I would get rid of the lobbyists who have created a system that when we go to trial, we can't say insurance. They can come and talk smack, try to smear the chiropractor, try to put down the plaintiff lawyer, try to talk smack about accidents from before accidents. But we can't say there's State Farm is sitting here. Guys, if you do jury duty and you're in a civil case, remember, 99% of the time, insurance company is there, but you can't mention that. By law, you can't mention that. Who, King Bryce Brown, what was the question? What are y'all talking about? Who are those girls? Who are you? What's the most money you won for a client? Well, Bryce, welcome to the show.
Welcome.
These girls are my sisters. They're attorneys also. They have their own practice. How long y'all been practicing now?
3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
Nice. And what's the most money I've won for a client? One case in 2020 was $4 million. Yeah, that was the most on one case. That's BS. What's BS? That's BS. Thanks.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
The
TexasTorch.com. Line them up, guys. We're live and alive with the Texas Torch.com. Sorry. Test it out real quick.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Are we almost like any other questions, guys, before we tune out?
Any last minute questions for anyone watching?
Anything? Anyone out there, guys? Thank you. Huh?
What's y'all's phone number? So I can
Oh, our phone. Oh, yeah. 832-433-7977. Oh.
I don't want to reach y'all.
We're in Houston, yeah. So
Did you want to finish the other questions that were submitted, or do you want to do that another?
should we save them for next time?
Yeah, we can save them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any cool ones, or they're all cool?
Yeah, they're all cool.
Yeah.
But we can save them for next time.
Bad duck and keep 'em coming.
Yeah. Bad Duck's on fire.
Yeah.
I'm curious. Was Bad Duck using ChatGPT? Was like I said, do we only handle insurance companies? When there's no insurance, there's no money. And that's a problem, right? Sometimes you go against a major corporation and they're self-insured, so we can handle those. But it's hard to attack people or file lawsuits when there's no insurance because now the client has to pay hourly and it becomes way too expensive to pay. So, any last words, girls?
Oh, our phone number. Okay, we'll give our phone number. It's 346-649-9495.
That's the office
Write it
number.
down. Yeah, that's our office number.
Oh, this guy here.
Y'all stay safe. The weather in Houston is
Yeah, it looks
about
like
to
there's a
get
storm
bad.
coming.
due to
And happy Thursday.
Yeah.
Happy Thursday. Have a good long weekend. Hopefully most people are off Monday.
Yeah. Happy Labor Day.
This shit that my daddy had raised me on, niggas got lit off the features I skated
This
on.
is a song? You said this is the hit song?
I gotta know how you get lit off the nigga you hating on numbers untouchable.
Got a couple ideas I want to get your opinion on. I'm going to DM you offline. I like that. Send a DM, guys. Rock and roll, guys. Thank you for watching the show. Until next week, we will see you in another edition of Live and Alive with the Texas Torch. And you never know who the guest of honors will be on the show. So
Thanks for watching.
thank you again. Let's go eat, huh? I'm starving.
Let's go eat.
Yeah.
The TexasTorch.com. If you've been in the Hadi Law, in the rig, the Hadi Law, or on the job, the Hadi Law. Who can you get? The Hadi Law. That's gon' fight the Hadi Law and protect the Hadi Law. The Hadi Law.